Modern figures such as Jesse Jackson, Al Sharpton, and Attorney Ben Crump continue portions of this civil rights tradition. Like any public figure, they are not beyond criticism. People may disagree with their rhetoric, strategy, factual claims, media appearances, finances, or legal arguments. An attorney represents a client's position. That's what it's supposed to do. That is not the same thing as independent judicial findings. Criticism should focus on conduct and evidence, not simply on the fact that someone advocates for Black Americans. There is also a fairness problem when public outrage flows only in one direction. If you strongly criticize Ben Crump, Jesse Jackson, Al Sharpton, or other civil rights advocates, fairness requires applying that same standard and intensity to police officers, prosecutors, judges, or public officials who abuse government authority or unlawfully discriminates against minorities. The problem is when Black Americans say, "This is racism, my friend," it is quickly dismissed as not being so. Yet history has taught us that is the reason the word accept even exists in the first place. That doesn't mean hating either group. To get mad at the medicine and then the side effects, then more than the actual disease, this means applying one standard. If activist exaggerates evidence, criticize it. If attorney states allegations as though they were proven, question it. But if police fabricate evidence, if prosecutors withhold evidence, like the Nolan Wells case here lately, and many more before that, or judges apply the law unfairly, those actions deserve equally serious criticism. Government officials possess powers that private activists just don't have. That's why accountability matters. Equal accountability rejects two extremes. One extreme assumes every allegation of discrimination is automatically. The other assumes government officials are automatically neutral, while every civil rights advocate is simply a race agitator. Kaepernick. A fair approach asks, what has actually been verified? What remains an allegation? Who holds government power? Were these same standards applied? Were laws followed? Did officials preserve evidence? Those are questions we should ask of everyone. Civil rights organizations, attorneys, police departments, prosecutors, judges, and commentators alike.
Yeah. Let's go light 'em up. Talking money, talking power. Follow the paper and you find a throne. Deals in the back while the cameras roll. Who's funding fear? Who's buying hope? Who's pulling strings every time we vote?